My absolute favorite moment of today was we had the 501st Legion come through. I was like, are you guys sure you're in the right place? We're doing good things here. And they were like, we do bad to do good. And they came through and they packed reading kits, and it was just a beautiful Disney moment. Today we're working with First Book. We are packing reading kits for first and second graders and inviting all of our Disney fans to help us put those together.
First Book and Disney have worked together for more than 20 years, and it has been an amazing ride.
It's important for Disney to have relationships with organizations like First Book because those organizations know where the true needs are. And at Disney, we're committed to creating impact where we can.
There's so many reasons it's important to inspire kids to love reading. Obviously, we know the science. We know that reading helps kids develop language skills. There's so many academic and scientific reasons, but for me, it sparks kids' imaginations. And in a company that believes so deeply in imagination, there's nothing more important than connecting kids with reading.
So at the heart of Disney, I think being in the community and inspiring people and really just making it a better world. I mean, just thinking about and imagining this little first or second grader opening their reading kit and knowing that Darth Vader had packed it just gives me so much joy.